Good afternoon, everyone. To start my part, I would like to define what is literacy. So, literacy is the ability to read, write, and communicate effectively using language. It's crucial for understanding, interacting with, and contributing to society. So, digital literacy encompasses the skills needed to efficiently utilize, assess, generate, and convey information through digital means, including understanding how to use digital tools responsibly, critically evaluate online content, and of course, navigate the digital realm securely and ethically. This means that people should be able to learn how to use digital tools, especially that we are in an era when everything is high technology, or in Gen Z terms, high tech. This leads to the question, do we really need to be digitally literate? To answer that question, of course, because digital literacy is essential nowadays because it allows individuals to proficiently use and understand digital technologies, enabling them to communicate, collaborate, access information, and solve problems effectively. This proficiency fosters critical thinking, creativity, and adaptability, which are vital skills for navigating the digital landscape successfully.